So, technology in agriculture supply chain is growing really very fast, and the predominant vectors that are enabling this growth are IoT and AI and blockchain. Because right now the buzzword is creating a marketplace where each and every nook and corner of agriculture supply chain should be covered at one place, which is we call as marketplace. And to enable interaction between it require digital integration of not only with respect to data but with respect to transaction as well. So this is something which is really growing fast, and we are looking forward to have a unified version of Indian agriculture.
Okay, and what are the challenges companies facing in this market, and how do you envision the future of this supply chain market?
Yes. So the first and foremost challenge is that the agriculture sector is not that tech savvy sector. So the technology and its use must be such that it must be a self-educated version of navigations through UI UX, so that even a farmer can understand what is going to happen. Definitely there will also be need of handholding, where Krishi Janch Kendra, which can be established at some hub areas where people can be taught how to use the applications to check the quality of their food grains on their own. Similarly, for other use cases as well. So this is one of the main, I would say. Or another part is that the data is very fractured. What I mean by fractured is that everyone has its own problem, and they are trying to solve it in its own way. It may be efficient, it may not be efficient. But if we have a kind of a unified version of that data, where we can do some statistical engineering and statistical reasoning behind the problems and the principles that come out after understanding that data, will definitely lead to a common problem. If gets solved, probably lead to a growth which is unified in nature. So that is another problem I see, that the fractured data.
Okay, any new solution from SLCM for small holder farmers?
Yes. So as I have already mentioned about quality checking app that we have created, which is one of the noble, you can say, innovation, in the sense that we are the first one within India who have provided NABL certified QC app, which is able to generate quality reports for commodities like wheat, chana, rice, and soybean. So this is something which can help farmer by getting the QC certificate for their for their crop samples within 2 minutes, which usually require 4 days or 5 days of waiting time. And because this is NABL certified, so it can be used anywhere, and using these they can get the fair price for their commodity.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.